Shit. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you've never been here before, which I'm sure you haven't, because a lot of people just kind of show up around BOXYCHARM season and they're like, hey, like, I'm gonna see what you're doing, but I'm not gonna hang around afterwards because I'm just using you for my instant gratification, and then I'm gonna go. But yeah, if you've never been here before, my name is Brittany, my channel name is pronounced Bradderstein, and today's video is going to be my BOXYCHARM unboxing. The very first one of 2019, January BOXYCHARM unboxing. For those of you that do not know, which I'm sure all of you do, but real quick, BOXYCHARM is a $21 a month beauty subscription service where each month they take $21 from your account and then they deliver this beautiful little box to where whatever address you put down for them to ship it to. And it comes with 4 to 5 full-size products. And it comes with 4 to 5 full-size products for you to try and test and love. So that's what it's gonna be. It's gonna be me opening it. It's gonna be me opening it, showing it to you, swatching it, telling you the prices. I can't speak English today. This is my second video today. The first one went a lot smoother. With that said, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up. I put out new videos every week. Today alone, I'm filming like 3, so there's some coming in if you want to see it, including a tutorial on this eye look. Come back, subscribe, let's hang out. And now that we gotten all of that out of the way, I think it's time for us to get into this video. Do you want to do that? Let's do that. Let's do that right now. Right now. If you would like to see me open this month's BOXYCHARM, just keep on watching. I got a bread from Whole Foods. This is my first time trying their pastries, and honestly, they're not that good. I'm sorry if you're like a Whole Food lover or whatever, but why are your pastries not better? Asking for myself. It even kind of looks sad. Okay, let's go ahead and get into this box. This is my favorite type of video to film ever. I say that every time because it's true. I love doing BOXYCHARM videos. I love doing unboxings in general, but BOXYCHARM in particular tends to be a favorite of mine because I love makeup and it's makeup specific and it's always good stuff. So let's go. We will now be checking her out. All right, first we have the card and the theme is boxy and chill. I feel like this is aimed towards a demographic that is younger than myself, but I mean, I get it. There's more of you than there are of me, I guess. I don't know, but this is still cute, but boxy and chill, like Netflix and chill, I feel like that's like a 20-somethings thing, but that could just be me. All right, the first item I see here is this guy right here, which I am familiar with. I've had and seen and loved you before. So this is not full size. This is definitely trial size, and this is the BOXYCHARM, oof, so many words. Roscaro Milk Reparative Leave-In Conditioning Spray. I have used this. This one is not the heat protecting one. This is just like a leave-in conditioner that, you know, you get out of the shower, you spray it in your hair. Makes your hair soft. I do like BOXYCHARM hair products. I have a bunch of their stuff in my shower. I use it all the time. It's free of all the bad stuff. It's vegan. It's just a good brand to look into, but it is a little bit pricey, so it is nice to get something to try so you can decide if you're going to love it, because yeah, it's definitely not cheap. This little trial size alone is 12 bucks. I don't know exactly how much the full size is. If I can figure it out, I'll put it down below, but I'm glad we get this in here to give people a chance to try it, because BOXYCHARM is a pretty sick hair care brand, if I do say so myself. And I do say so myself. Going back in with this pastry, even though it tastes like dry, sad bread. All right, the next thing in the box is this guy right here, which is the big guy. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna save him for last. The next thing I'm gonna pull out is this guy right here. This right here is the Ofra Cosmetics Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick, and this is in the shade Havana Nights. This is one of the collabs that Kathleen Lights did with Ofra. And I actually have this, I think. Wait a minute. Yes, I have it in the old packaging. I like just got this, I believe, in my FabFitFun box. So maybe they're discontinuing this shade if we're getting it in 2 subscription boxes, which would suck because honestly it's super, super pretty. I'm not going to open this one because since it is not open, this is the shade right here. It's really pretty. They repackaged, but they didn't change their formula, and I think they have a beautiful formula, if I do say so myself. It's super comfortable. It's long wearing. The shade in particular, I usually don't like deep shades on me, but this one, I put it on and the more I wore it, the more I liked it. So I think this is a win. Just in case you haven't tried Ofra, it'd be cool to try Ofra, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, this is a pretty shade. I'm happy that we got this in here. I'm happy that you guys get to try this. Let me know down below if you get a different shade, because I don't know if everybody's getting the same one. I have no idea. It would have been cool to get a different one since I already have this one. There was a cat hair in my eye. I can feel it. There it is. Who else? Every day, all day, every second of your life, cat hair everywhere. And everything on everything in your mouth and your eyes and your hair and your entire life and in your dreams. You know what? I'm thinking I'm going to do an impromptu giveaway. I did this with my last BOXYCHARM and I kind of liked it. So you know what? I'm going to give this away since I do already have one. I know it's just a little giveaway, but I like being able to give back. I don't know. That's just something that I enjoy doing. So if you would like to enter to win this, you know, just this modest little liquid lipstick, go ahead and comment down below your Instagram or Twitter. I guess most people have Instagram. So comment down below where I can reach you essentially on your social media, and subscribe to my channel, and also follow both of my Instagrams. I'll put them on the screen here. Bradderstein is for makeup related stuff and Fatterstein is for fitness stuff, which I post almost daily. So go ahead and follow both of those and subscribe to this channel. Leave me a comment where I can reach you and I will send this to you in the mail. Why not? Let's go. Happy New Year! Just in case you didn't like write down what I just said, I will put everything down below when it ends, what you have to do to enter, all of that. I know it's just a little giveaway, but you know, share it, tell your friends. Maybe they'd like to win a free lipstick. Okay, the next thing I see is this guy right here. This is from Billion Dollar Brows, and it is their universal brow pencil. So it's got a spoolie on one end, down with that. Good spoolie. You can always need a spoolie. Always need to have a spoolie. Ooh, and it's like a retractable pencil. This looks like a lip liner. Let's give her a little swatcheroo. So that is a swatch there, a little swatch, little poop swatch. The shade looks like it would be light, but I have been wrong before, so I wouldn't be surprised if this ends up working on my brows. I'll just have to give it a shot. It's a little creamy, but I don't know. I'm not totally picky on my brow products. I mean, I do use the same ones every day, but whenever I do try something else, I don't dislike it. So yeah, I'm interested in trying this. Let me know if you have tried it. It feels a little like, I don't know. How much does this cost? Oh, $18. Oh, that doesn't, I was gonna say it feels a little like a cheaper brand, just packaging wise, but it's 18 bucks. So hey, I've never heard of this brand, and this is a good way to get introduced by being in BOXYCHARM, right? Right. Still got food in my mouth. Okay, the next thing we're going to discuss is going to be these guys right here. I am so excited that we got these. So Tatcha is a cruelty-free skincare line that is expensive. These retail for, wait, $24 for 2 sheet masks. That is crazy, but I've really been wanting to try Tatcha skincare, but I just haven't taken the plunge. I haven't bought it yet. I'm still trying stuff right now. I use Drunk Elephant, which is also very expensive. I don't know why, for whatever reason, that one appeals to me more than this one as far as actually spending my money on it. But I did also just buy a bunch of the Ordinary skincare that I'm going to be testing out because they just started selling that in Sephora. So that video is going to be coming soon where I after I've tried it, I let you know how it works since it is so affordable. But Tatcha, I've heard nothing but great things about, and who doesn't love a sheet mask? Put that shit on, just fucking max and relax, you know, treat yourself. 2019. Very excited to get these. What are they for? Luminous Dewy Skin Mask. That's what they are all about. It's hydration, so this is a cool thing to get. And to get Tatcha in a freaking subscription service is so dope. Wow, my little, because I film on my phone, right? So my little MyFitnessPal thing came down just now, and I was like, don't forget to step on the scale. It's been a while since you put in your weight. And I'm just like, I feel a little personally attacked. Mind your own business. It's none of your business what I weigh. Don't ask questions. Don't ask questions. Okay, and the last thing in the box, and the one that I'm sure most of you are the most excited for, and most people in general are most excited for, is this frickin' full-size eyeshadow palette. So this retails for $36, and it is the limited edition Rainforest of the Sea, wow, highlighting eyeshadow palette volume 3. So we have gotten one of these types of palettes in a previous BOXYCHARM. I didn't actually end up using it ever, so I gave it away, but let's see how this one goes. Ooh, the packaging. Tarte. Okay, one thing with Tarte is they do kill it in the packaging department every time. Everything they come out with, it always has super, super cute packaging. So let's check out the shades. All right, so those are the shades there. And as you see, it's all shimmers and one satiny matte. If you've been here a bit, you would know that ideally, my dream palette is all mattes. All mattes and maybe one champagne for the inner corner. This is all shimmers. So I'm not totally excited about this, but it is totally preference. The formula in it is fine. People really like these. It's all about if you like the shades. And for me, the shades are kind of meh. If you see, does this look like something I'm going to gravitate towards? Maybe not so much. I do like that it's called a highlighting palette because I could see all of these being, well, not all of them, but all of them, but these two being good inner corner highlights for me or something like that. So let's go ahead and still swatch them. See how they how they feel in the hand. And if this is your color story, maybe this would be a good palette. So let me go ahead and swatch them all on my arms. Okay, so those are the shades there. They are pretty, I will say that. The one matte one you can't even see on me. They're not my like favorite. I mean, I know exactly what I'll use this for. I'm gonna keep this on my desk, and when I'm doing my makeup for an inner corner highlight, if I don't use my face highlight, this is what I would grab. Grab that, pop it, because they've got a good reflection on them. It's just not something that I feel like is well-rounded or suits my personal eyeshadow needs. Now, if this is the tones that you like and you love shimmers, this palette's gonna be dope for you. The packaging is super cute, and it's still a cool thing to get in the box because Tarte is like a good brand. But for me, I know I won't get as much use out of this as somebody else might. But that is the shades. Let me get you a close up there. Those are the shades, in case you were curious. Maybe I'll still do a video with it. Maybe I won't. Let me know if you want it, because I could totally do it if you would like it. Done. All right, so the overall value on the box this month is around $110, which, I mean, you pay $21, so that is a good price, especially since most of the items are almost as much, if not more, than the price of the box. Even if you just wanted one or two of these things, the box is still a good value to get, because then you can gift things. You can give things away, like that lipstick I'm giving away. So again, make sure to follow the rules and enter my giveaway. Share the video, share the love. Let's share the love. Let other people know about it, so maybe they could win the lipstick. And you know, I will probably do more of these, so good karma brings good karma and all that jazz. So anyways, make sure to subscribe. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Comment down below. Let me know your name. Let me know where you're from. I'd love to know who I'm talking to, so I know I'm not just sitting here talking to myself like a crazy person. That would be nice. Thank you. Oh, just so you guys know, I know this doesn't even like have anything to do with anything, but make sure to come back also, because I did buy those ColourPop Velvet Blur lipsticks. I'm going to be doing another lip swatch video with my husband. If you haven't seen the first one, I'll put it up here. It's a laugh, if I do say so myself. We are funny, in my opinion, or I had fun watching it. I had fun filming and editing it, and yeah, if you would like to see that, make sure to come back, and I will see you next time. If you're still watching videos, though, why don't you click on one of these over here? I will put the one of me and him probably up here for you to watch if you haven't seen it yet. If you click on my face, it'll take you to where you can subscribe to my channel so we can hang out all the time. I think you should do it. I think it's a good idea. Have a very good day, and I will see you next time.